Okay, Lani, if you're scared of lightning, then try not to be scared of lightning. I I tried, but I'm still scared. Let me tell you something. Everyone out there is scared of lightning too. Um, yeah, cause I mean, it's only a little lightning flash. That's what it is. I know, but it scares me. But every time I was scared of lightning too. Even downstairs. Hey! I told you, I'm not scared of lightning. Jeez. I am not scared of lightning. I got over with it. It's been a long time. Yeah, and Dodge Dog got over with it. That means you had to get over with it. I tried, but I can't. Then try harder. Landy Boo? Yeah. Well, everything's gonna be okay, laddie. You're still my girlfriend, aren't you? And Cece's my girlfriend, too. You both are my girlfriends. Yeah? I mean, do I want a girl who's not afraid of anything? Anything I don't be scared of. What I'm scared of is lightning. Well, okay. If you insist, if you can't sleep, just, I don't know, just sleep beside us or sleep on the middle or something. Oh, alright. Yeah, just try not to be scared of lightning, okay? Alright. Good. Um. Alright. Now. Cece? Yes? You think, it'll be a good idea for Lani? What's a good idea? You know, Lani's scared of lightning, right? Yeah? Hey, why don't we do that? Why don't we just let him sleep on the middle, and then he can, she won't be scared of lightning. Is that good? I hope so. Yeah, yeah, that would be good. Lani, would you like to sleep in the middle with us? Of course. So that way I won't be scared. Good. Great job. Now. Oh, look at the time. It's almost midnight. So, let's get cozy in. Come on. How are you feeling? I don't know. Alright, Lani. Try to get some shut eye, alright? Alright. Alright. Good night, ladies. Good night, Dodge Dart. Oh. Oh. This lightning is scaring me. lightning is scaring me. It's scaring me. Oh, 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 oh. This lightning is scary. Scared. I am scared. I am scared. I'm scared. This lightning is scaring me. This lightning is scaring me. Oh! Cece! Don't start! Wake up! Oh, Lani? Everything okay? What's wrong? Oh. Oh. Cece, I think Lane got into a lightning fright. I think so too. Lightning strike. Here. Lightning strike? Where was it? It was right in front of us. A lightning strike? I don't see no lightning strike. It was right there. I don't see no burn marks. You might be imagining things, Lani. I swear in my life, I saw a lightning strike. I don't know. Shall we take her to get checked out? I think so too. Come on, Lani. We'll have to take you to Tails and see what was wrong with you. But I swear, but I swear I saw that lightning strike.